Young Nab, baby.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's HellaHard here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a little life hack on how to prevent specific things from sliding around in your trunk. All right guys, so here we are in my trunk, and I got my shop towels everywhere, my tool bag slid everywhere. This tool bag right here though is supposed to be over here, so let's change that. So here we are in my room, guys, and these are the only three things you're going to be needing: scissors, super glue, and some Velcro. Now, I got this Velcro from one of my son's old toys. Of course, you can purchase a Velcro from a store or even online. You can even purchase a cheap $4 pack at Walmart. But since I'm going to be saving myself some money, we're going to go ahead and just start by snipping the Velcro that was on my son's toy. So I'm going to go ahead and try to cut this with one hand. It's not the easiest, but manageable. There we go. And then I'm just going to pull the Velcro out. Slide it all the way out. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and split it into three. So now that we have it into three sections, we're only going to be needing those two pieces. And as for this other piece, get that out of here. And these two pieces just go boom. And now we just take these four pieces and go to the trunk. Now that we're at the trunk, let me go ahead and explain the process. So we're going to be taking two of the hard Velcros, placing them horizontally in the trunk like this. And then on the object that we're going to be keeping in place, which will be my bag, we're going to go ahead and place the soft Velcros right on top, simply just like this. And then we're just going to super glue on the top. So we'll place it down like that. And then we'll take the super glue and glue it on top. And then take the bag and place the bag on top of the super glue. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the process I just explained. So we got the two hard Velcros placed horizontally right there. Then I took the two soft Velcros and placed them on top, super glued them, and then placed the bag right on top. And then I let it dry for a little bit, and this is the outcome. So now we're going to go ahead and test it. We got the soft Velcros on the bottom of the bag and then the hard Velcros. And all we got to do is set it on top. Place it snug in the corner and pretty much doesn't move. And when I pull up the bag, it pulls the little bottom flap of the trunk. So that's how I know it works. And it's going to give the bag a nice little grip and won't slide around. Bam. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And to support the channel, please visit the website, purchase some apparel. For everyone that subscribes to the website and purchases an apparel, we'll get a free decal. So you guys just stay tuned. I'm still working on the decals coming out. They'll be out here pretty soon. So yeah, just stay tuned and keep supporting your boy. Peace.